Namaste, Kurumka. Hello everyone, I am Adong Jamatia, your Mr. International India 2024. I am 22 years old, standing at 180 centimeters tall, and I am passionate about music, fitness and dancing. I belong from a beautiful state of Tripura. We are known for our vibrant tradition, including unique dance form that celebrate our connection to nature and community. And I'm excited to showcase the richness of India's culture, diversity and strength. I am Adong Jamatia, your Mr. International India 2024, and I'll be representing India at Mr. International in Philippines.